Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to go and change server in Dark War Survival. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change server in Dark War Survival. So first of all, what you need to do is go to the top left corner and click on your profile and of course click on your profile picture here. Now here you will get to your profile where you need to go and click on your account. So as you can see at the bottom side of the screen, we have the more account settings and rankings. You need to go and click on the second one, which is the account option. Now here you can of course go and bind it. I have bind it with my email. You can bind it with Game Center or any other way that you want. And here you need to go and click on manage character or character management. Here when you click on there, here you can see your character where you can of course go and select the create character, choose the server and state you want there and create your new character. So click on there and here you can, as you can see, put a state whichever you want and do it like that. So states are servers where you can see how much people is there and how much people can go into one state. That's how you can do it. And here you can of course switch accounts if you want to switch to another account if you have of course multiple. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.